YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. If you are new here, make sure to smash that like button. Actually, if you're not new here, if you've been around, make sure you smash that like button. But if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because the goal is to hit 500 subscribers by May 15th. Today is May 8th, meaning that we are 7 days away from the goal. We were at 458 subscribers. If we hit May 15th, if we hit 500 by May 15th, then there will be a giveaway. But if not, there won't until later on in the summer or maybe even the fall. So let's try to get to 500 by May 15th. That's the big goal. That date is important to me, and I'll tell you guys why later. If you've been around, you know why already. One more quick little thing before I get into the video. A bunch of you have been DMing me and messaging me saying that you want to see me do certain things, particularly different customs with different sneakers, which would be dope for me to do. But funds wise, I don't know if I would buy a sneaker that I necessarily don't want for myself or to resell right now, just to customize. So I am leaving the link, or not the link, but the username to my Cash App down below in the description. I'll put it up here on the screen. My Cash App is #A Sneakerhead. If you want to donate to the channel, go ahead and donate to the channel. Just tell me why you're donating, so I can put that money towards where it needs to go, because there are a bunch of things that I would like to do with the channel, and any way you guys can help out, it'll help us get there faster. So make sure you check that out in the description, or don't. It is what it is. We're doing fine without it. Now let's get into today's video. So you guys read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what it is. A lot of people's sneakers, particularly those that ordered from the Nike Sneakers app, have not came in yet, but it pays to have friends. I had a really good friend, old friend, reach out to me and say, look, I saw you didn't get yours on Sneakers, but they are available on Champs. Do you want me to get them for you? I sent him the money right away. He got the sneakers for me, and they just got in. So I am able to get my pair. I actually got them last night, but I'm giving this video to you guys today, and that is right here. So you can see the box, big brown box, nothing special, coming from Champs. Now I want to try a little something different from my unboxings. Let me know what you guys think, and I'm going to throw the unboxing at you right now. Alright guys, so let me know down below in the comments what you think about that style unboxing. Just something a little different I thought I would try. Seen it done before, thought it looked pretty cool. Something I tried for the first time on this channel. Now, let's get into this review. So, real quick, first of all, here's the box. Everyone has to do the box part first of the review. So right here we have the regular Jordan 5 box, red Jumpman, black top, and you see the cement pattern all the way around. Now with the Jordan 5 box, the box is one piece. So instead of the top coming all the way off, we're just going to pop it open right here. And then you get your black paper. I already took the left shoe out. And yeah, no white paper in here, just the black paper. So now let's just look at the tag, and then we'll get into it. Where is the tag? Here we go. Alright, so we got an Air Jordan 5 Retro. The color is true white, fire red, and black. And this is a personal pair. Size 12. You guys can see it right there. Now let's get into the sneaker. Now first off, I hate dead stock lacing and how factories do things, because look at how choked up this shoe is. So give me 1 second, I'm gonna let it breathe a little bit, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I let them breathe right here, you guys can see how I lace my 5s. I always take off the clear part. I hate filming videos with white shoes, man. Really hard with the exposure. But yeah, you guys can see what I do in my lace locks. I always take the clear part off. I just don't know how to wear the shoe with it. To me, I can never get it to look good, so I always take them off and leave them there. But as you can see, we get a Nike on the lace lock as opposed to the Jumpman that we would get usually, and part of that is because we have the Nike Air on the back. So now let's get into some of the details. So obviously The Last Dance is going on right now, and that's really dope. A documentary about Michael Jordan and the Bulls in their 6th ring that they won. And this sneaker is featured a lot in its OG form in there. So that's really amazing. Really dope to have these in hand while that's going on. So, those of you guys that have been around my Instagram, one of my goals is to get at least one OG colorway in each silhouette, and this is my first OG 5, which I'm really excited about, to have an OG 5 colorway in here. A lot of people were saying that they don't like that there isn't a 2-3 there, because the black tongue ones do have the 2-3. Me personally, I like it better without the 2-3. I don't own a 5 with the 2-3. I don't like when they put a number 2-3. I think it's 95 on the Supremes. There's some that say 45s, whatever. I personally don't like the stitched on number here. For whatever reason, it reminds me of NASCAR. I like when it's real smooth right here. I like the look of the 5 like this. And also, I really like the Nike Air on here. Now, usually I'm not a stickler about heel logos. Like when it comes to 3s, 4s, I don't really care that much if it's a Jumpman or a Nike Air, as long as the shoe looks good. But on 5s, I definitely do prefer the Nike Air, or even on the Michigan 5, as I mentioned in my other day, that tag that's on there, because I do like how it's more of a horizontal logo to counteract the verticalness of the shoe, I guess, how vertical the shoe is. A lot of times when you see that Jumpman on the back of 5s and 6s, it looks a little crooked or off-center just because of the build of the shoe. It's not even off-center, it's just that's how the shoe looks. So there's that one little detail right there. Like I said, no 23. Really big fan of that. Now let's get into the material. So the last time we got this sneaker was back in 2013. I do not have a pair of them, but you could even see it in pictures. It was that bad. And you hear a bunch of people talking about how terrible the leather quality was on the 2013 pair of these Jordan 5 white, I was about to say white cements, fire reds, these fire red 5s. And this is a much better quality leather. Let me take this out. Take out the shoe tree there, but this is definitely a much better quality leather than what was on those sneakers in 2013. I don't own a pair, so I can't give you a comparison, a live in-person in comparison, but just off of other videos that I watched and pictures of the 2013 pair that I seen, the quality on these is definitely better. You still have your thick ankle bubbles, which is something I love. I love how thick and chunky the Jordan 5 is. One of the things that really draws me to it. And now let's get to the outsole, one of the defining characteristics of the Jordan 5. This is the first Jordan sneaker to have the ice sole on it. So we got our fire red Jumpman there, nice clear ice blue sole, and then on the outsole, I don't know how well we could see it, but it says Nike instead of Jordan. Now, with it saying Nike with the ice sole, I mean, every Jordan 5 has an ice sole. I really want to do an on foot for you guys. I really do. But I'm going to be true to myself. I'm not going to do the on foot yet. But just know it is coming some point, hopefully next week. Yesterday I bought another. I'm out of my 3M vinyl wrap that I do to make my sole protectors like I do on all of my 5s and all of my icy bottom shoes. But I really don't want to put these to earth. Just bare. I want to wrap them up and protect them so I can keep them nice and icy as much as possible. So stay tuned for that on foot coming at some point next week. That's why it's important to follow my Instagram, because you get a lot of that information early. But really tempted to put these on earth, but I'm not going to do it until I protect these soles. Now let's get to the second, or some people will say the first. Most people will say the first. I'll even say the first most defining characteristic of the Jordan 5, and that is this huge 3M tongue panel right here. The 3M on these things bang. The 3M on any 5 that has the 3M tongue bangs as it is supposed to. Tinker Hatfield designed these sneakers so that way when Jordan was going up for a dunk and the paparazzi or the cameras were taking pictures, you were able to get that little extra pizzazz in the picture with the reflection of the sneakers in the camera. Really dope idea, really dope design element, and obviously we've seen 3M and a bunch of other sneakers to follow. Even on the sides of the Jordan 6, which I think the Jordan 6 3M is some of the most understated 3M in the sneaker game. But man, let's look at these things. So happy to have them in hand. Now, I was on the fence about getting them or not. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know when we're getting another OG5 anytime soon. And like I said, it does not have the 2-3 on it, which is something that I really like. So I definitely do see myself wearing these. And now that I have them in hand, I'm extremely happy that I got them. you could still get them for close to retail. Don't give up yet and go for the over retail price on. And there's gonna be restocks in the next couple weeks because there are a bunch of pairs that were made. But really, really, really beautiful, iconic sneaker. Let's not forget iconic. The sneaker is really important as far as the Jordan brand and fashion is concerned. So really dope sneaker. Once again, really wish I could do this on foot for you guys, but I'm not gonna do it until I protect these soles. But just know that it is coming. But man, that is it for this video. Got my fire red 5s in hand, my first pair of Jordan 5s in an OG colorway. Got them in hand. Could check that off the list. It's amazing. That is it for this video, guys. Please make sure to smash that like button, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? It is May 8th. The goal is to hit 500 subscribers by May 15th. If we don't have 500 subscribers by May 15th, then the giveaway won't happen. But I mean, I'm going to still keep putting content out, and I'm going to do what I do regardless if we hit that goal or not. So just make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you're new. Tell your friends, tell your family, share it on Instagram. Do what you got to do. I am the anonymous sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. If you guys have any ideas of things that I could do on the channel, or anything that you want to see happen to just help the channel grow in general, make sure that, you know what I'm saying, I got my Cash App live now, so you guys can donate to the Cash App if you want. Don't feel like you need to. I feel weird even putting this in the video, but a friend of mine told me that it was a good idea to put it in the video, so there we go. That is my Cash App. That is it for this video, guys, and never ever forget, it's all about the sneakers.